Okay. Well, we'll keep up to date with
Oh, we're
it.
going to keep an eye on it. Back to the Tesla backpack over here. Cyber backpack. Shout out Shabam. Is this a product? Like, what's going on? Did this guy make the product?
I believe he designed it. Yeah.
Volti, which is an EV channel on YouTube.
Yes. It's a short.
3,000 subscribers. This was a TikTok, I guess, which was reposted on YouTube Shorts. And he's showcasing what looks like a cyber backpack. It has a little charge port on it. Get it at cyberbackpack.com. I don't know if this is officially approved. Shout out Gabriel.
That's really cool.
Well, it's cool what he made, but what's Tesla going to do about it?
We should get it.
Hang on a second. The cyber backpack is up for grabs on its website for $200. That price is limited to the first 300 buyers, after which it gets bumped to $350. So that Riz can actually end up making some money off the bag. His ultimate dream, however, is to have the cyber backpack listed on Tesla's website as official merch while splitting the profits with Tesla's techno king, Elon himself. I don't know how this is all going to work, Will. This is complex, isn't it? I mean, anybody can sell a backpack that looks like a Cybertruck. It's just got some shapes to it. But if he wants to cut a deal with Elon and have it on the website, I don't know what the best way of going about that is. I don't know if you want to start selling it right away.
I think they would
300.
design their own.
Tesla?
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, I would think so too. So I don't know how it's all going to go, but
this is very cool.
In the meantime, you can go check his stuff out and check out the backpack itself if you're in the market. But it is a premium price tag for a backpack. But it looks like he does have a little battery bank in there and a few other things. So there you go. You got the cyber backpack.